Welcome to Upskills for Work. Help build your skills for learning, work, and life. Reading. Build your reading confidence. Reading is understanding written language, and it's an important part of everyday life. We read for many reasons. To find information, to learn how to do something, and to communicate and connect with people. We use our reading skills to understand text. Text is written words. A book, an email, or a note from a friend are examples of texts. Everybody has different reading skills, and reading can be hard if the text is long or has a lot of new words. But being able to understand different kinds of texts helps you at work and in life. Pete works for a landscaper, mowing lawns, raking leaves, and tending flowers. Pete's supervisor asked him to apply fertilizer to a lawn, but Pete's not sure he understands the written instructions on the package. He knows he can hurt the lawn if he applies too much or not enough fertilizer. He's worried he'll make a mistake. Pete is stressed. Pete takes a photo of the instructions and sends it to his roommate Sully for help. Sully reads the instructions and tells Pete what to do. Pete is relieved. He did understand the instructions correctly, but he's worried about next time. He wants to read with confidence. To build his confidence in reading skills, Pete can read more often. Reading is a skill. Practicing skills helps you get better at using them. Read different kinds of text. It's important to practice reading different texts so you get used to them. Try to have fun. Read something that's interesting to you. Be patient. Everyone has different reading skills. Ask for help. You can ask a friend or family member to check for understanding if you're not sure. It's never too late to learn or improve your reading skills and build your reading confidence. To create a plan to improve your learning skills for work and life, visit upskillsforwork.ca.